Hi guys, I am Gurudarshan from DevGD. In this video, we are going to see how to retrieve data from Firebase. In this previous video, we have seen how to upload data and how to connect our Flutter project to Firebase, Cloud Firestore. Okay, I just created a new button and I will name it as Get Data. So whenever I click this button, it has to print a value, a field value from a specific document. For example, in this test collection and this document, I want to print field 1 value, get ready, okay, from this specific document. So whenever I click this button in the on pressed method, document snapshot variable, so this variable will contain the value of wait, okay, firestore dot instance dot collection. Our collection name is test, so collection double quotes test or single quotes dot document. So we have to mention our document name. Let's copy the document name dot get. So now we get the document value. The document contains many, one or more fields. So I get an error, what? Okay, now clear. Now I have to print the value of the field 1. So print, okay, it's wrong. I have to enter inside the on pressed method. We print variable that contains the document value in that field 1. The field 1 is the name of that field. So okay, let's run. Okay, get data. Okay, now we have to print the value get ready. So get data get ready. Yeah, now we successfully print the value. We retrieve a specific field value from a specific document. Yeah, sample test. Now we are going to retrieve a bunch of field values. For example, we are going to retrieve all the field 1 values from each document. In our case, test collection contains 4 documents, and in each document we have a field called field 1 and it has a specific value. So our aim is to retrieve all the field 1 values from each document. So in this case we don't have to mention the document name, and we're going to achieve this by using list view to store data and using stream builder to retrieve the data. Okay, so I just created a button, get all data. So whenever I click this button, it navigates to a new class called all data. So I just write up the code in a new dot file. Of course it's a stateful widget. Stateful widget means dynamic. The value will be changed dynamically on time. So return scan fold app bar. I will give a title called all data, and a body for a app. body. Now we will use stream builder to retrieve a bunch of data. A snapshot, a term snapshot will be used is called a snapshot will have a bunch of document. A document snapshot will have a bunch of will contain a bunch of field values. A snapshot will contain a bunch of document. So we have to mention stream and builder. Stream is firestore.instance collection test dot snapshot. In that the stream will contain all the document presence in the collection name test. So builder value. In case if the snapshot does not contain any document or any value, so whenever it does not contain any value, the app will crash. So to avoid this crashes or error, if snapshot does not have any data, return a text to display no value, no data available. Okay. If the snapshot has some value, return a list view. In this list view, so in that children, so they have multiple or one or multiple documents. So snapshot dot data dot documents and map. So document, we can give any variable. So return a text document and to display the field 1 value. Okay. Let's build the app, get our data. So yeah, get ready data 1 and data 1 and get ready. We will check this one, get ready data 1 get ready. Yeah, we successfully retrieve all the field 1 value from each document.